Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping your own Telegram account and developer credentials so you can legally resolve ID you have access to. Once done, install a client library such as Telethon or TDLib and authenticate with your phone number and the API ID/API hash. Make sure the account you use has the target user in contacts or has interacted with your account. Otherwise, privacy blocks will apply. This setup lets you call methods that map numeric Telegram user ID to profile data you own or can access. Next, you execute the API calls that actually try to reveal a phone number. You will run contacts, get contacts or the equivalent users, get full user through your authenticated client, in Telethon, call client. Get entity, user ID, or the RPC users. Get full user with the numeric ID. Make sure to pass the correct access hash or entity object, otherwise the API returns minimal data. If the user is in your contacts or has shared their phone with you, the phone field appears. If not, Telegram respects privacy and the phone stays hidden. To complete, inspect the API response for a phone field and save it securely if present. Otherwise, request the number directly from the user or add them as a contact and try again. Make sure you respect privacy and legal limits. Do not attempt scraping or hacks. If you hit problems, confirm your session is authenticated, you use the exact numeric user ID and access hash, and you haven't exceeded API rate limits. One key troubleshooting tip: re-add the person to your contacts and rerun the Get Contacts call, since that often resolves missing phone data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.